Meaning of humanely.
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 Humanely. Humanely refers to treating someone or something with compassion, kindness, and respect. It suggests that consideration and care are given to the well-being and dignity of others, whether they are human beings or animals. To act humanely means to behave in a way that is consistent with the principles of empathy and humanity, where the value of life is acknowledged and the suffering of others is minimized. By acting humanely, we can create a more compassionate and just world where everyone's rights and needs are respected and upheld.